Yo, what's up, people? For some reasons, I'm here with one of the most dreaded persons in the country, and we are going to interview this person, and she is with me. She is the one and only Fulan Devi. Uh, Fulan Devi ji, do you have something to say? कुछ बोलना चाहोगे आप हमारे दर्शकों को?
कौन है वो देश का गद्दार जो हमारे हिंदुस्तान में रहता है और हिंदुस्तान से गद्दारी करता है? सामने आया तो चैन की मौत दी जाएगी और ढूंढ के निकाला तो पानी तो होगा और पिलाने वाला कोई नहीं होगा। देवी ने तो अपनी जिंदगी के अंदर
जी
तो
जी
यही बातें
जी
की।
समझ गए। और जो भी लोग पीछे बैठे बंदूक बिल्कुल असली है तो हट जाओ. दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली
और
रियल.
ना चलेंगे और धमाका तक भी नहीं होगा।
This is absolutely real. Well, if you think I am in some village with Fulan Devi, you are absolutely wrong. I am at the one and only, the best place on earth right now, the Kala Ghoda Festival. Well, the Kala Ghoda Festival has been going on for so many years that you might lose count of it. It's beautiful, it's artistic, it emphasizes on every art, every culture, every theatric, every dance, every form of culture and art that you could see. Well, as you see around, there are a lot of people, and very rarely do we see people respecting and appreciating culture and art. But here, people of all races, all religion, all age, and everyone you can see around have gathered together just to respect art and just to look at how the artist has put forth his thought and his thinking. Well, it's been a long and a very tiring day for me at the Kala Ghoda Art Festival. Morning to evening, day to night, it's been an absolutely fantastic experience. Well, every art and every art form here has excited me and has kept my eyes glued on them. Well, one of those art forms right here at the Kala Ghoda Festival, when you enter it, is this beautiful art form that shows women violence. And you see a picture of a woman in it. Well, I'm sure the artist wants to say that he's standing against women violence, and why aren't you standing against it? Coming a bit on the lighter note, you see a lot of people around here. People of different sects, different genders, different religions, different nations, all come together to enjoy the Kala Ghoda Art Festival. The beautiful lightings, the flag posts, everything just give that perfect setup for nothing but the Kala Ghoda Festival. To my left and to your right, you see these beautiful stalls put up, right from the British Council, who give you career guidance, to the Anirudh Pratishthan, who are showing you and selling off their beautiful paintings here, right from Mother India to Mughal Azam to the beautiful horse, and the women that they paint are all up for sale and auction. On the other hand, there's something that's called Trees by You and Me. These probably are the bottles that they have created to make lampposts and lampshades, and they look absolutely beautiful, don't they? Coming back to something that has caught my eye in the whole stall area is this one particular stall that's been put up by the Mumbai police. The Mumbai police not only protect us and take care of us or have the entire city in their hands, but they also have this little bit of magic that they have in their fingertips, something that they would call art. What we see Mumbai police as being strict and stern, we have some men here who try to show their artistic styles towards every person in the city. Well, let's look at a bit of these paintings that's made by a few of these Mumbai police painters. The beautiful paintings, the black and white, the sketches, to the paintings, to the photographs of the Taj that had been attacked during the 26/11. All of this has a deep meaning for every Mumbai police that's present. Right here we have one of these artists who has painted a sketch and click photographs. I'm going to ask him what is his experience at the Kala Ghoda Festival and what do these paintings inspire him to do. So sir, tell us your experience at Kala Ghoda and your thought behind all of this.
Yeah, myself Sanket Rathod. In Mumbai Police, we are artists. 6 artists is there. 3 water painting has done and 3 photographers as there. Ankush Zubkar, Vikas Lavande, Sanket Rathod, Sanjay Samant, Guge Savekar. We are 6 total. And last 3 years we are working here for this photo shoots. और बहुत ही अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है यहाँ पर. बल्कि कि जो लोग आते हैं यहाँ पर ऊपर नाम उसका पढ़ते हैं मुंबई पुलिस, उसके वहाँ से थोड़ा सा डर जाते हैं. तो जिन लोगों को मालूम होता है कि बाबा ये मुंबई पुलिस में ये नया क्या है, तो जब भी हम बताते हैं, हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि वी आर इन मुंबई पुलिस वर्किंग और फोटोग्राफी और वाटर पेंटिंग्स है, तो बस लोगों को थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि मुंबई पुलिस में भी कुछ अलग है. बस वही हमारी इच्छा है कि जो अच्छा करे.
So just in case you come to the Kala Ghoda Art Festival and you see this Mumbai police stall, it's not a check post or it's not any police station, it's absolute police station of an entire artwork let's not forget and let's salute all these men who have come together to put art as a meaning and as a medium to spread their message. Not only do the policemen save us or protect us from all the evil and all the violence, but they also are here to spread a word of art and spread peace through art. This is me, Ronald Menezes, with cameraman Sapnil for MRSC, Mumbai.